Hello guys, welcome to this episode. This is your go-to code guy wisdom. In this episode, I'm going to continue talking about conditional operators. Okay, so in the last episode, I was trying to make sure that the explanation where I said Python first checks out the first conditional operator here before it checks out the second one to see which of the conditional operator fulfills the last statement here, which says print yes. Okay, where I had to use the greater than and equal to conditional operators in one if statement. So in this episode, we are going to be able to prove that, right? But we are going to make use of the less than or equal to. So I'll try to kill two birds with one stone in this episode. Remember, this is PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3 is a mobile application that helps us to code in Python programming language. Okay, so let's say we wanted to run this program now, but in order for us to be able to say or to check that Python actually goes through these two conditional operators to see which one actually fulfills um, the statement. Okay, in order for us to check that, I think we have to take out one of these and say, okay, if a is less than or equal to. So what Python will do now is it comes to the second line of this program that says if a is less than or equal to. From our program here, the value of a is 11, so a is actually not less than 11, right? But it is equal to 11. So this statement will actually work because Python will check the first conditional operator here, which as we know a is not less than 11 because the value of a is 11. Then it doesn't, this conditional operator doesn't fulfill anything. So it comes over here to check the second one, which says equal to, our a actually is equal to 11. So this program will work. So let us run this by hitting on the yellow play button here. So you see it prints out yes. Okay, so what Python does is it checks for which conditional operator fulfills the statement for it to be able to run. So that's it for this episode, guys. I've treated the less than. We've been able to show that the less than or equal to also works, as well as the greater than or equal to, and also to show that Python actually checks it for which of the conditional operators fulfills the statement whenever we use two conditional operators. So that's it for this episode, guys. I've not missed out anything, but if I have, I'll be in the comment section or the description. Bye for now, guys.